Not all diamond painting glue feels the same. I'm working on a FeeLook Art diamond painting right now, and I just wanted to show you what the adhesive actually feels like. Welcome if you are new, or welcome back if you come here regularly. So let's go down and have a look at the canvas.
Hope you don't mind, I am doing a voiceover because I found there was just a bit too much background noise with my dogs in the house. I have collaborated with FeeLook Art for a few diamond paintings now, and each one seems to be getting better in quality. The glue is poured glue rather than double-sided tape, which is used in many budget paintings. You can see that it is very sticky. It won't let go of my finger at all. And I just love that. I have found that FeeLook Art may have reduced the thickness of their glue since I started with them. I'm not sure if that is true or not, but I just find that it is a little bit thinner and a lot better quality. The glue only goes to the edge of the drill, so you'll see that there is a bit of a frame around. There's no glue on this frame, and you don't need to washi tape, but it's up to you if you want to washi tape the edges or not. I find I don't need to. Yeah, I just love the quality. The drills stay in place. They do move a little bit if you do misplace them or put them in the wrong place. They may spring back a little bit, but it's not as bad as as when I first started diamond painting with FeeLook Art. This is the Carousel Horse from their pink campaign, and it has a lot of special drills. So it has these half rounds of various sizes. There's 3 different sizes, and I found that they stick extremely well. I give them a little bit of pressure. The back side of them is flat, so that sticks to the canvas really well. Just got a bit of wax just stuck on the pen there, and yeah, just press them down, just give them a little bit of pressure and they will stay. I'm just going to speed through the placement of these drills, and there we go. So I'm just going to pull and tug on these drills a bit just to see if we get any popping. I didn't notice any, and the big large special drills stay in place really well. You can spray your canvas if you want, but I don't find I need to with FeeLook Art. They're really good quality, and I cannot recommend them any more than I do. I just love the company. Yeah, they are pretty well secure. So premium company, well worth looking into.
Do like and subscribe and drop me a comment. Love to know what you're working on, and yeah, if you work on FeeLook Art, how do you find the glue adhesive? If you want to try FeeLook Art, I do have an affiliate link which I will put into the description below and into the pinned comment. Thank you so much for being here, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Much love.